Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the AC condenser switch on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. So we're gonna pop the hood. And then we're going to remove the grommets that hold this trim piece right here. That's inside the engine bay, right behind the bumper. So I'm gonna set you on the tripod. All right, so there's the bolt right there on the AC condenser. So what I replaced mine with was CSF, which is a good aftermarket AC condenser, they're a good company, and that is a 17. So I don't got nowhere to set y'all to see, but I'm gonna move that, and then we're gonna proceed to installing the sensor. And I got a swivel head attached. Dang, it's about to rain again. I felt drops, so let me hurry up real quick. All right, so this is the only socket I found that I have. It's a deep socket, 15-16 socket. I'm assuming this is probably a 23, probably, socket. Let's see, but fits in, so that's perfect. So you're gonna put this in here. So what I'm doing is basically hand tightening it first. Alright, so let's switch the sockets. And I'm keeping the swivel. Alright. Alright, tighten. Now we're gonna get the connector, which is this one right here. Stick it through its little hole. And up. I got big hands, so if I'm able to stick my hand through here, even though I'm having a little bit of difficulty, you could do it too. And I'm avoiding removing the front bumper, which I could have even more room to do everything, but I don't want to do all that, especially since it's about to rain again, because it's starting to drizzle. All right, so as you can see, now the new sensor is in and the connector is all in. So that's how you install, or if you had to replace the AC condenser pressure switch. That's how I focus through the grill, but you can see it right there. I was having a hard time focusing through the grill, but you can see it's in. So now I could take this to my friend's shop. Well, I gotta install the top of the motor first, but the wiring's all done and all that. So now it's just me upgrading everything to 2023 parts. So once I get that done, I'm gonna take this to my boy's shop, have him vacuum test it, the AC system, and then fill it up with Freon and everything else, or refrigerant. So now all you gotta do is just, I really gotta wash underneath here. probably from when my friend was mowing my yard. Before I put that cover on, I'm gonna clean up here and everything, because that's that part of the air duct. But that's it. All you do is put that back on and then put the grommets back in, and then that's it. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.